What is up, everyone? What is up? What is up? How's it going? So, Indy 1 coming up, and we've got 4 people out. 2 250 riders and 2 450 riders. If you didn't know, obviously, because most of them, well, 3 of them were injured last week. So, let's start 250, because obviously they raced first. So, obviously, like last week, you have RJ Hampshire out and Austin Forkner. Let's see here. RJ Hampshire is out with a dislocated right wrist, and apparently he chipped the ulnar bone too. So apparently, from what I have read and seen, he doesn't have a time schedule for coming back because, dislocating, especially your wrist, and especially in this sport where you need that much control, obviously not a good thing. Austin Forkner, as we saw, crashed in practice and broke his collarbone, so he's out again for an indeterminate amount of time, probably at least 3 or 4 weeks, I would say. Well, maybe 2 or 3, depending on how it heals, I guess. And, Austin Forkner, hurt in practice again, big surprise. Sexton, out again. He's probably not going to be back until, I think his plan, he said, was Indy 3. Apparently his shoulder's fine, like no rips or tears or breaks or anything like that. It just lacks, again, control or strength, which, again, in this sport, you need a lot of strength in your shoulders and your arms, or, well, everywhere to control that bike, especially through the whoops and everything else that they do in this sport. Obviously, it's very intensive. And then, to round out the 4, to end his, exciting week, you have Dean Wilson, who broke his left toe? He broke his toe, and, nothing horrible, I guess. Yeah, I guess it's going to be a race time decision for him to see if he wants to race or not, but, 4 people out, 3 of them completely out, and Dean Wilson being a maybe. So, your 250 field gets a little bit less exciting. Your 450 field is pretty much where it was last week, so, yeah. Thanks for watching. See y'all later. Peace.